Hey guys, welcome back to our Sneaky Sensei here on YouTube. Okay guys, so I'm bringing you guys another video of showing you guys what is the other things I use to go live upon social media, such as in YouTube gaming, TikTok, Facebook, and strangely enough, even Instagram now. Apparently that we can stream on Instagram. That is something completely brand new. So basically, I have invested in a Fiberotic broadband. Now this can go for so many other things as well. If you're not a gamer, that's completely fine, but if you are a TikToker and you guys want a stable connection, yes, this is a little bit pricey. It is a little bit pricey, but the quality does make all the difference. The quality does make all the difference. So what I'm talking about is a Fiberotic broadband. Now if you're here from the UK, I'm with Sky, and Sky's given me Fiberotic broadband, and I've been with them for a few years now, and it's been one of the best investments I've ever made. Okay, and also what you guys are gonna need though, you guys are gonna need an infinite cable that goes into your broadband, and also you need a plug as well. And do not fear, I will show you guys what they are. I just wanted to make this quick video of showing you guys what do I use to go live upon social media, and I'm really hoping that this will make sense. I'm so sorry, the lighting back there was terrible. I'm so sorry. I'm so glad to see that uni lessons are still stuck in my head. So without any further introductions, let's get to it, and I'll see you guys in a sec. And welcome back guys. Okay, cool. So this is my Sky hub, or my Sky broadband, and actually I've been with Sky for the last few years, and honestly though, I really haven't had that much issues. Maybe 1 or 2, 3 issues sometimes perhaps. But besides all this, actually, this has been one of the best broadbands I've ever used. Not sponsored, I'm not sucking up to them. This is my own personal feedback I'm giving back to Sky themselves, because I've been with them for a few years, and ever since me coming back to Sky, this has been like a game changer. It really has. Okay, so yeah, this is my main hub. Now if we look behind it, actually you guys are gonna see some few wires, and okay, so this is what I'm talking about. That is an infinite cable. That's an infinite cable that runs into a wall, and then the whole signal goes back into my studio, where I can stream for you guys. Now I should mention, actually, this is a 10-foot wire. This is a 10-foot wire, I think, or it's 15. I can't remember. It's been a few years since I've had this wire, and this has been one of the best investments I've ever made. So basically, why is this so important? Because the Fiberotic broadband, the signal runs all the way. There's a cable running down there and all the way back over to my socket plug. Now let me take you guys over there and let me explain something to you guys. Okay, now the reason why I just hit myself. I just literally hit myself. So there you guys go. Do you see that cable there? That cable goes back into my broadband, and you guys have a BT plug. Now the reason why I use this is because it's going to send the signal back to my PC, and that's how I stream upon social media with a good signal. Okay, so knowing I'm showing you guys this one, let me take you guys back into my bedroom and I can show you guys everything else. Okay, and welcome back guys. Okay, so I've just come back into my bedroom, and I have another one in my room, and actually this is the best way I could think of it for you guys. Now if you guys do it this way, you're gonna get a stronger internet signal. Now you're basically wondering to yourself, Sensei, why do you have 2 wires? One is for the PC and the other one is for the PS5 or the Xbox. Okay, and I do beg your pardon, I need to practice how to do cable management. I have not done cable management just yet, because as soon as you see this, loads of people will be judging me in the comments below, and I am sorry guys. But yeah, one goes into the PC and the other one goes into the PS5 or perhaps into the Xbox, and that's how I get a really good internet connector signal basically. And this is the only way I can think of to get a good internet signal if you want to become like a professional streamer or even a professional gamer as well. Okay, and by the tone of my voice, I take this very seriously, because hopefully though, in one day, inshallah, I will become a professional streamer. And honestly, what else could I ask for? Seriously, what else could I ask for? I love hosting, I love presenting, and though honestly though, if this has made any sense to you guys, please make sure that you do subscribe. Please tell friends and family. And if you have any further questions or you guys want to know any more help, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you. And there you go, guys. That's how I get my internet signal to stay strong and help me to run perhaps a 4 or 5 hour stream upon TikTok, upon Twitch, YouTube, and any other different social media platforms that you guys can think of. But honestly though, if you guys have really found this video very helpful, and also as well, I forgot to mention as well actually, there is a website I do use to track of everything. And right now, one of you guys are seeing, this is my internet speed signal. And once again though guys, I am not sponsored by Sky. I'm just being polite and kind to them. I'm just giving a big shout out to Sky, okay? I don't work for them. I've got no affiliate program, nothing with them. I've just been with them for the last few years, and I'm a really big fan of Sky. And I really do think if you guys want a fiber optic broadband, Sky is perhaps one of them to go with, but the second one I would highly recommend. And sometimes I do think they are a little bit cheeky, but also EE in the UK, they are the second people I would go with, because my sister and my mum are both with EE, and somewhere back last October my Wi-Fi went down and I was using my mum's phone to stream, and in fact the signal was so good. So I would say that BT, Sky and EE, but for me, number one, Sky is number one, okay? But if you guys have severely found this video super helpful, could you guys please make sure that you smash that thumbs up like button? If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be starting more videos like this. I did do this like 7 months ago, then I completely dropped off, but now I want to come back better than ever. I want to show you guys how do I stream, what other things do I use, okay? So if you guys have really enjoyed this video, please, you know what to do. Once again, please let me know in the comments below if there's anything that does not make sense, or if you want me to tell you guys one more time, because I do check my comments every day. So please do not fear, I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. So on that note then, once again, thank you so much for joining me. I love you, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.